see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today something again something very nice. I like we're gonna cook offal. We're gonna cook again. I'm gonna make a sandwich with beef liver, ox liver. It is absolutely delicious. I know a lot of you like it, but it's something very nice and very low calorie and easy to do. If you like this stuff, you have to try this sandwich. We need a few ingredients. I'm gonna use, of course, the ox liver. Ask your butcher to give some already sliced because I'm gonna slice it. We need some plain flour, onion, salad. I'm gonna use honey, Dijon mustard, and some pickle gherkins. Okay? What we're gonna do? This liver is better, you know, you have a little membrane here. You see? Like this. It's better to take it off. If you don't know how to do that, just ask your butcher or by knife. Very careful. You can go under, you know, like this. Like this, okay? Anyway, you're gonna do the both side. Take your time, no rush, you see? Because this one make it hard, you know? Now, we have to slice it thinly. Or if you can ask your butcher, okay? You can do like that, single, like this. Not too thick because we're gonna cook quickly. And you see, or you can butterfly if you want, but like that I think is perfect. I'm gonna make, you know, butterfly is like this. You know, it's bigger, but I prefer single. Okay, I'm gonna cook this, not more. Okay, this is a little bit too thick. I leave it like that. Okay. Now the liver I put there. Pan is already on the gas. Okay. We need hot. It's easy this, but try guys. It's very nice. Liver in the flour. You know, just flour. It's like Milanese or fegato alla veneziana. We put in the flour like that. Okay. Attach the olive oil in the pan and we're gonna fry it. Now we go in. Okay, 1, 2. It's gonna cook around 2-3 minutes, not more. Okay. Now the onion is chopped already. Not too thick because it's gonna cook quickly. Because when it's ready the liver, we take out the liver. And we're gonna cook the onion quickly in the same pan and use the bread you like for the sandwich. Some gherkins we can start slicing. I think 2 is enough. If I need more, I got more. And what we're gonna do as well is make this beautiful sauce with Dijon mustard. Guys, try this, it's absolutely nice. And honey. Mix everything. Mix like that. This is already done. Oh yeah. Wow. It's absolutely delicious, guys. Salt and pepper. And when it's the time, now I turn them. Look at that. How beautiful it is, guys. Okay? And now when it's ready, I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay? Okay, guys. When it's coming out, just take out. Leave to rest a little bit. You know the caramelize of the flour, stuff like that. Now, what we need? Add again a little bit of oil, and then on we're gonna cook quickly this onion. Just a couple minutes, you know. And as well, I wanna put later. You can toast the bread like you like on the grill. Or I'm gonna put quickly in the oven because I like a little bit toast. When this onion is ready, add here as well some salt and pepper. When this onion is ready, the sandwich is basically done. And guys, always, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. This is gonna be absolutely al bacio, okay? When it's finished this, we're gonna build the sandwich. I show you the next step because I'm gonna wait the bread in 5 minutes. Gonna be ready, okay? Hey guys, my liver is ready. Sauce, onion, gherkins. I forgot to say this is very nice if you put some chili. I cut some chili because I like spicy. Okay, what we can do? My bread is super crunchy. We start on the bottom. We put the sauce. Yeah, it's beautiful, guys. Okay, now some salad like this. This is normal salad, guys. If you like lettuce, rocket, any salad you like, this give that freshness, you know. Okie dokie. Yes. Look at the liver, maybe nice and cooked. Even is a little bit oil. Wow. Inside, sandwich and liver, the liver. Oh wow. Yes. Press a little bit. Anyway, it's delicious. We put some onion. Wow, guys. We're gonna add some gherkins. Press a little bit. Look, guys. This is absolutely stunning. Okay, a little bit chili if you like. I like. Again, a little touch. Look there, beautiful. And salt and pepper. The job is done. Oh yeah, guys, this sandwich is absolutely delicious. Oh yeah. Wow, guys. I don't want to say nothing, just try it. Alright? Guys, the beef liver sandwich is this. If you like, figure out and follow us. Ciao!